tomatoes in the Galapagos appear to be evolving backward. Here's what is called mean. Hundreds of miles off the coast of Ecuador in the very place that inspired Charles Darwin's seminal theory of evolution, a wild-growing species appeared to have had rewind. A small tomato found in the Galapagos, known scientifically as Salmonum bentley, first caught the attention of researchers in 2024 during a study of a college natural compounds produced by plants that can act as a blood pesticides. As the scientists analyzed tomatoes found across the area, they noticed something particular independently from the yogurt. Western islands of the Galapagos were producing compounds that had been seen in tomato plants for millions of years. The researchers then compared the unusual plants with the Salmonum bentley samples on the older island. They found that the tomatoes on the eastern island had a modern defense system, implying that the younger western plants were not left behind when the species evolutionary journey, but instead displayed a possible gas reverse evolution. It's not very common to see reverse evolution, said Adam Joshua, a molecular biochemist at the University of California, Riverside, who was part of the team that made the discovery. The scientists report this finding in June in journal Nature Communication. We think that maybe environmental conditions put the pressure on these tomatoes to revert back to original or to industrial state. Zorak said, adding that the finding shows that nature is very flexible and it is not the way we thought. That very everything goes only forward. While the fruit of the western plants looked slightly different, with a purplish color and darker tinge instead of their usual bright and warm hues. The bright difference between them and tomatoes from eastern Iceland was found on a molecular level. Analyzed more than 30 tomato samples, the researchers observed that the western Sonalum canary had a molecular fingerprint similar to that of eggplant, another member of the nightshade family of plants that share a common ancestor. While modern tomatoes have evolved to no longer produce the alkyl alcohols, those on the western Galapagos Islands had seemingly re-evolved on the default to contain this ancestral gene. By studying the molecules and investigate why the tomatoes have referred to ancient genes, scientists could design better crops for eating, stronger pesticides, or even medicine. Joyce Oxley. It also helped researchers further understand evolution in various species, including humans, and whether it is more flexible than once thought. Fighting ancient tomato defense. Soil apparently has South American origins and likely made its way over to Galapagos Island through the sharing the plant seeds 1 million or 2 million years ago, before the younger island formed as a result of volcanic activity, according to Joshua. For experts are you sure exactly when tomatoes are evolved the younger island? Plants evolution had to have happened within the last half million years, since that's around the time and young Iceland first emerged, Zodiac said. On the eastern Iceland, the environment is more stable in geology differs. There's the younger Iceland have a barren landscape with less developed soil. The toxic molecular of the tomatoes with the ancient genes not only helps the plants ward off predators, but Zoy's hypothesis it also helps the roots collect collect more nutrients or possibly protect them from disease. When analyzing the tomatoes, the research found that there was a very simple change in the makeup of the amino acid that caused the plants to revert to ancestral traits. Then they genetically modify tobacco plants in the same way to observe the production of the ancestral compounds and confirm observed. The further, the further study is needed to understand the benefit of this transformation, why the preservation occurring the fresh zodiac in. The case of Selenium penalty sheds light on how plants evolve in diverse chemistry under different conditions. According to Albert evolutionary ecologist and James A. Bergen, professor of environmental studies at Cornell University in Akron, New York, had that he does to find the idea of refers to evolution in the tomatoes to be processed. It is more a timing process that frequently takes detours and reverse fashion, a word said in email. He points to ancient birds such as eagles, because the wild animals like in birds that evolve from very affected mean ostrich and birds, and the loss of hind limbs in aquatic mammals such as whales, dolphins, and porpoise, when their foliage forbid return to the sea. Further research, including experiments to figure out the timing and conditions under which the tomato plants evolved to the central stage, will help confirm what caused the reversion. The coins in high concentration are safe for people to eat, which makes studying the compounds and how to control them variable, Soviet said. But as of now, the well-growing tomatoes have no impact on human health since they are not grown for human consumption. Joshua said he hopes to return to the Iceland to look and solve this question, as well as other times potentially influenced by the chemical molecules to repel temperature with insects at the rate at which they decompose, challenging allow evolution for certain species to develop Iceland-specific traits in northern Asia. Turing observed this phenomenon while working in the Galapagos in 1865, noticing for example that fish had frying big sweets to give with salt bodies in differing acid. Nevertheless, the term is reverse evolution can be seen as controversial in the evolution world, as evolution is usually not thought to be backward. Zodiac said. Furthermore, since evolution had no mathematical goal, it is a bit problematic to talk about forward and reverse. Change is change, said Eric Hart, a professor of biology at the University of Maryland in College Park. In an email, Hart was not involved with the study. Hart referred to the rule in evolutionary biology known as Dollar law, which takes this one attribute as being lost in pollution. It will not immediately to say simply. For example, those spin ones involved in the land mammals. There's written on this to the sea millions of years ago, but their tails are positionally different, and they still have to birth at Higgs planes. Because of this, the paper represents some one of the challenge to the law. The aid it appears to the specific amino stage. In Galapagos, species are some of the same one of found is much more distant ancestors, converting down to that level in interesting for sure. But it is complicated. Hey, note because it also appears that the tomatoes have some difference from the ancestral counterparts. The cow tomato on younger island that regarding the accidental gain produced both the moderate and called the Asian ones. More studies needed to understand what is really going on and whether natural selection favored any star mutation is it. Well, Joyce, was Joyce way I mean that does not study humans. He said that by viewing evolution as more flexible, scientists could observe other species in which this may be happening, and could also explore the possibility of human when they reverse evolving. Just one day, this store is reverse evolving or as and across games over time. The concept is similar to the rare case of humans who are born with lunar. The tribe is one seen primate ancestor over 2,025 million years ago, according to Blair Hall, research professor at amateur evolution biology at Dalhousie University in Halifax, Canada. What remains now are child bones have the ability to produce more seed. However, the term reverse evolution is essential because it implies that we have referred to the ancestral state which officially is impossible. Charles Townsend and Ines Linnell, he required the more essential evolutionary potential. This is also seen notes that have one soul, but occasionally can be born with three, like their conscious not what is lost in modern horse is three toes. What is returned from ancestor is the potential to form three digits. He added. On the other hand, the superior and super and professor of theology and evolutionary biology at University of California, Santa Cruz, said she finds the time to be great way to engage more people in the concept of evolution. It's simply a human-centered rather than purely scientific way of talking about it. Evolution is directional, it's random. Shapiro said in email as time moves and evolution continues, and sometimes that means young variants that aren't common anymore become common once again. Where is this evolution? While the concept that evolution can go in any direction is not readily accepted by some scientists, this work said it's not important with topic where further study. Evolution was a case for informal condition by competition. And it would be nice to show that the species had the past were perfect for the situation in the past. And if this condition change, then we can go back and we try hard or other species help.